Hi, boys and girls. It's Mr. Wasemann, and today we begin our research into our endangered species topics. Hopefully, you have chosen a topic that you are interested in. If you haven't, the first thing you need to do is open up this PDF where it says the endangered species topic list. But even if you have chosen your topic, like I have, you need to pull up this list, and that is because each of the names of the endangered species that you see on the left in blue, these are also hyperlinked to a website that you can use to begin your research. All of these species have an entry on the World Wildlife Fund website. Okay. Now, I have chosen my topic, and that is the plains bison, and that's down here. So if I were to click on that link, it would take me to this page, which I already have pulled up, about the plains bison. Now, that is my topic. So the next thing you have to do is you need to go to your Google Drive, and you need to find this template that I've already shared with you. It's the Endangered Species Project template, and it's going to look like this. Now, I have already taken the time to make a copy for myself because, again, like your famous Hoosier presentation, I shared a copy of a template. You had to make your own copy in order to edit and change things around. This is my copy. As you can see, I already changed the name to my topic, American Bison, and then I put my name. And the last thing I'm going to show you is my slide presentation from last year about the leatherback sea turtle. And I wanted to take a minute to show you side by side that the template that you're going to be working with is going to eventually evolve into what my final project last year looked like here. Okay, let's do a quick comparison. So the first page is the title page. It says name of endangered species by student name. And then the second page talks about classification. Now, unlike our famous Hoosier project and other research projects where I've had you write things out in your own words, because of our time restrictions at the end of the year, I have created a template that has some sentence starters. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be replacing the words in red or the words that are highlighted with the facts that you collect from your sources. You're going to be using that template to directly copy information and put it into sentence and paragraph form. So let's look real quickly at my first information slide on my leatherback sea turtle presentation. It says, I'm studying the leatherback sea turtle. Its scientific name is Dermochelys coriacea. Okay, so on my template, you'll see that it has a sentence starter. Today, I'm going to teach you about blank, an animal name. Its scientific name is this. Okay, so the way you would go about using this template to fill out information is that you would go to your source on the web and find the information. Now, the plains bison is also known as the American bison. This animal right here that we commonly refer to as a buffalo is not truly a buffalo in the sense. It's related to water buffaloes that we see in Africa and Asia, but it's its own species. So it has a scientific name to help with that confusion. A lot of times people will name an animal and then confuse it with other animals based on the layman's description that they give. So that's why we employ scientific names, which are in usually Latin or Greek. Now, on that list of topics right here, next to the animal's name, you will see the name in Latin, its scientific name. So there are lots of different big cats in the world. And matter of fact, there are lots of species just of tigers. Okay, so for scientists to be able to determine the difference between one tiger to the next, they had to give different names. So for example, there's something called the Sumatran tiger, which is a little bit different than the Bengal tiger. The Sumatran tiger's scientific name is Panthera tigris sumatrae. Compared to the Bengal tiger, which is right here, it is Panthera tigris tigris. So the names in Latin help determine or differentiate which species you're talking about. So back to my slide. So I'm going to talk about the American bison. Now, it goes by lots of different names, plains bison, American buffalo, but I'm going to use the term American bison throughout. Okay. I'm going to throw in an article, the. Today I'm going to teach you about the American bison. Its scientific name is. Now, unlike most other species that have different sounding words in their names, the bison's scientific name is bison, bison, bison. And that is confirmed right here on my World Wildlife Fund page. So bison, bison, bison. So I'm going to write that in this space right here. And I'm going to go ahead and use italics, make it stand out. Bison, bison, bison. And we have already accomplished one task, naming our topic and giving it scientific name. And boys and girls, that is how we're going to compose our presentation. We are going to take information directly from the source, and we are going to compose our sentences by using the sentence starters, the closed story prompts that you see here. And that's how we're going to build our endangered species presentation in the span of about a week. So continue to view the video tutorials that I'm going to post in the next few days. But until we talk again, happy researching.